Come on, man. We don't got all day.
Hey, Kyle! Hey, Kyle!
Isn't that the autistic kid that just transferred here?
Are you friends with him or something?
No. Why'd I be friends with a loser like that?
Wait! Don't do that!
You'll put him in checkmate.
Does it look like I asked you?
Does it look like I care?
Quiet. I know what I'm doing.
But I can help you get out of it.
Look, I don't need any help from some autistic kid, alright?
Okay.
Yes! Checkmate. I won.
What?
But how?
I told you that was gonna happen.
Just stop. You're not smart enough to understand how chess works. Now, kid lost.
Done.
That's
Incorrect.
well done. Now, the next team to get one right gets the extra credit.
Okay, who should we choose to go?
Me!
No! There's no way you're gonna get it right. You probably don't even know kindergarten math.
Okay. Have you decided?
Yes,
I'll go.
Okay. Ready? Set. Go.
Kyle, stop by table.
Quiet. If I can't solve it, there's no way you can. Done.
Let's see. Yeah. That's correct. Well done. Your team gets the extra credit points for the next test.
Dang, this is fair. I don't know how we're gonna win. We've got special needs Sam on our team. What? Hey.
Yes. Tie game. Next point wins.
Come on, huddle up, guys.
You okay? My ankle. It really hurts. I need to sit this one out. Sorry, guys.
Man, now what?
I can play.
Yes.
Sam, go away. You'll make us lose for sure.
But I've been practicing. I'm really good. I promise.
That's gotta be a fair.
Well, we do need another player. I'd rather play 2-on-3. Come on, you can take them. This sucks.
Kyle, why didn't you put me in? You know I've been practicing. You've seen me.
What's he talking about? Do you know him or something?
No, I have no idea who he is.
But I'm...
A nobody! You're just an autistic kid who'll never be able to do the things us normal kids can. So why don't you just get out of here? Special needs Sam.
How could you say that to Sam?
I was just joking.
In my classroom, now. Yes, we are waiting for you in room 101. Great. Your mother is here.
Hi. I'm so sorry.
Please.
Kyle, what did you do this time?
Well, he called Samuel here special needs Sam at recess, and then wouldn't let him play with them.
How could you do that? To your own haters.